Let's take a look at what happened today with Tesla. So we are up $1.76, closed at 254.11, post-market down a bit. So let's take a look at the chart. The chart is the fact. We are into a downward channel, nothing new there. Let's take a look at the 1-hour chart to see if we are still moving along above our support. This is the support right here. Yes, we are still moving along. We opened right here, went a little bit higher, went a little bit lower, and as a whole, we are still moving up. Today was a slow day. Things are slow, but things are moving a little bit, and we have our resistance we are watching, 260.39. If we break this, then this is going to be a buy, and we can make some money up to here or up to where it goes. And we did the same thing right here when we made money right here. We had the resistance right here moving up. We had a nice run. This one was a nice run. Now we are a little bit higher, so the run might be less high, and we have the earnings call not too far away, April 22nd. So maybe things are not going to move before, maybe things are going to move. Nobody knows any of this. Nobody knows, but we don't need to know in advance. We just need to look and see as it happens, what happens. So this is what we are going to do. So it's okay to be on the sideline. Our money is safe. There's no problem right here. If we start breaking 291.77 right here, if we start going lower than 217.65, then we are going to know that we need to do something. So this is a buy right here. On the 1-hour chart, there's more buys. On the 1-hour chart, we have a buy right here above 260.39. Take a look at the rest of the market. So VIX continuing down, 0.77 down, closed at 30.11, but we are still into our downward channel. This is still the support, so we are touching the support. We cannot say that if we go lower than that support, we should see an increase in the VIX going down, but right now things are just at a standstill. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. We are seeing some exhaustion right here. We went lower, we went higher, always lower than the 21-day moving average. So we cannot break it. Look at this. We are just getting stuck here. So maybe we are going to get another shorting opportunity when we break lower than these two support right here for another move down, maybe. So let's keep watching this. SPX, the same thing. Outside of the bullish channel, very short bullish channel, but we are outside of it. So maybe we are going to be able to short these things. Nasdaq, same thing. We are at the top of the channel, so maybe we can have a short right here. So you can even place your bets right now if you want to chance it. If you don't want to chance it that much, wait until we break 18,447, and if we do, boom, we are going to have a nice run. So being patient has its reward. Same thing with Russell. We are seeing some exhaustion right here, touching resistance and then caving back in. Let's take a look at the market as a whole. Mainly red, some black, very little green. Let's take a look at some Tesla news. We get piped into our Discord server. Oh, Tesla insurance premiums are increasing at twice the market rate amid vandalism. Oh boy. So yeah, this won't make Tesla owners happy, that's for sure. And FBI Director Kash Patel announces arrest in New Mexico Tesla arson attack. This is good. He is keeping pressure on those people. So this is from Electrek. Tesla has to replace computer in 4 million cars or compensate their owners. In 2016, Tesla claimed that all its vehicles in production going forward have all the hardware necessary for full self-driving. Yes, I remember him saying that, but this is not really true. Tesla has hardware 3, because hardware 2.5 was not powerful enough to achieve self-driving capability. And now we are even at hardware 4, and I've heard some talks about hardware 5. And Musk said that Tesla would retrofit the computers of all hardware 3 car owners who purchased full self-driving package. I think the honest answer is that we're going to have to upgrade people's hardware 3 computers for those that have bought full self-driving. So you can buy a used car, get full self-driving on it, and then you get a new computer. And that is the honest answer, and that's going to be painful and difficult, but we'll get it done. Now, I'm glad that not that many people bought the FSD package. And in terms of sales, if we look at the sales, look at this. US EV sales Q1 2025, Model Y in first place, Model 3 in second place. Then the Mach-E, Equinox, Prologue, Ioniq, and all the rest. So Tesla is still the most likely. So let's be patient. Maybe we are going to see some action either on the indices or on Tesla for the rest of the week. Thank you very much for watching.